So this is my 1978 Honda XL250 that I've been working on for this whole summer. And right now I've gotten it to practically the frame, except for just the motor and the battery and a couple other stuff like the electrics and all the other stuff. So I've been working on this bike for around 3 to 4 months now, and we have done a really good job on working on this. It's literally almost done. We have another frame for it. I can go bring that over to you guys. So we have a complete another frame here that we have been sanding down to get ready for paint. As you can see, it's all clear. There are still some spots like over here, still some rust spots. We gotta figure out how to take off this helmet mount. But we got it completely like stripped. So this frame is bent because what happened was we didn't have all the engine mounts. There was not that many engine mounts. So it was bent. It's bent around here where the kickstart is and the swing arm. So it's bent around there, but this frame is not bent at all. This frame is mint. So as long as we get this ready, we should have a fully running dirt bike. Sorry about that, my brother was talking to me about some stuff. So we got this whole other frame with the bike. We got a 2-in-1 deal. We got 2 bikes for I think it was $700. And we also got something else I want to show you guys. We also got 2 new, almost never used, like the tread is still super good. It's super thick. Passes the finger test. We got a new rear tire too, the barely used tread, as you can see. We're gonna have a sprocket change because the 53 teeth, I want a little bit lower of a gearing. So we're gonna put a 41 tooth sprocket on here, but a bit lower. And yeah, this tread, if you guys can see, is completely dry rotted. It's losing air in a bunch of different places. This tread has been ripped to shreds. As you can see, it's been ripped right here. So yeah, it doesn't, like, the tread part isn't even like there. So yeah, we're gonna get a bunch of other stuff like suspension. It's usable, but it's not usable if I want to go hard enduro. So we're probably gonna get different suspension. Maybe some new handlebars eventually. I kind of like these ones, so I might keep them. But yeah, we were going to use this motor, but we don't want to risk it because we got 2 motors. That's with the double deal. We came with 2 bikes, and one of them came with, both of them came with a motor. And this motor we know runs for sure, but we don't know if this one runs. So this one, we could do a whole engine swap, put this motor in the bike, and it doesn't run, and if it doesn't run, that's not good. So yeah, this is my Honda XL250, and yeah, that was my video for today. Whenever I get the chance, I'll probably just do maybe some working on it videos, and I'll record the video when we're done with the painting of the frame, and I'll record it when, you know, maybe when the frame we're painting it and getting it all nice and shiny. Probably record that too. I'll obviously record when we're putting it all back together, because this might be like a 2 or 3 day job, putting all of the good parts off of this bike onto that frame, and all of the good parts off of that frame onto that frame. So yeah, see you guys next video, and this is Risky Redline signing off. Bye.